Have you ever wondered where silver actually comes from? That shiny ring on your finger, the coins you collect, or even the tiny wires inside your smartphone, they all have something in common: silver. But what exactly is this precious metal? How does it form deep within the earth? And how do we transform rough gray rock into that dazzling mirror-like shine? Let's uncover the story buried beneath the surface. The journey of silver. Silver has fascinated humans for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations called it the metal of the moon for its luminous glow. It's been used as money, in jewelry, in medicine, and today it powers technology from solar panels to circuit boards. But before it glitters in your jewelry box, silver starts in a place far less glamorous, trapped inside dark, heavy rocks miles underground. Silver is a naturally occurring element, represented by the symbol Ag, derived from the Latin word argentum, meaning shiny or white. It's formed over millions of years when molten rock, or magma, rises toward the Earth's surface. As it cools, minerals crystallize, and under just the right conditions, silver bonds with other elements like sulfur or lead to form ores such as galena or argentite. Most of the silver we use today isn't found as big, shiny nuggets. It's locked inside these ores. In fact, nearly 70% of silver is produced as a byproduct, while mining for other metals like copper, zinc, or gold. Once a deposit is discovered, miners have two main options: open-pit mining if it's close to the surface, or underground mining if it's buried deep below. In open-pit mines, enormous machines remove layers of soil and rock to expose silver-bearing ore. Underground, things get more complex. Miners carve tunnels through solid rock, sometimes stretching for kilometers, to reach narrow veins of silver-rich material. Either way, what comes out of the ground doesn't look like treasure. It's just gray, dusty rock. But hidden inside lies a sparkle worth chasing. The ore is transported to a processing plant where the transformation begins. Massive crushers break the rock into smaller chunks. Then, grinding mills filled with heavy steel balls turn it into a fine powder, almost like flour. Why grind it so fine? Because increasing the surface area helps extract the silver more efficiently in the next step. Now the powdered ore is mixed with water and special chemicals to form a slurry. Air is pumped through the mixture, and something remarkable happens. Silver and other valuable minerals attach themselves to bubbles and float to the surface. This process, called flotation, separates silver-rich particles from waste rock. What's skimmed off is a concentrated mix, much richer in silver content, but it's still far from pure. The next stage is smelting, where rock meets fire. The silver concentrate is heated in a furnace to temperatures over 1,000 degrees Celsius. At this heat, the metals melt and separate by density. Heavy silver sinks to the bottom, while impurities float to the top as slag. In ancient times, silver was purified using a process called cupellation. Lead was added to absorb the silver, then oxidized away, leaving behind bright metal. Today, more advanced methods are used. To achieve the dazzling purity required for electronics and jewelry, silver undergoes electrolytic refining. An electric current passes through a solution of silver nitrate. Impure silver dissolves, and pure silver atoms reattach to a thin silver sheet. Slowly, layer by layer, 99.9% pure silver forms, the same grade used in fine silverware, coins, and bullion. Once refined, silver is cast into bars, wires, or sheets, ready for its many lives. In jewelry, it symbolizes elegance. In electronics, it carries current better than any other metal. In medicine, it fights bacteria. And in renewable energy, silver helps solar panels convert sunlight into power. From ancient currency to space technology, silver's story is one of constant reinvention. It's not just a precious metal. It's a bridge between the past and the future. So, the next time you see silver glimmering in your jewelry or reflecting light from a mirror, remember, it began deep underground, locked in stone, waiting millions of years to be found, freed, and refined by human hands. It's more than just metal. It's a story of discovery, science, and craftsmanship. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, subscribe, and tell us what material or invention you'd love us to explore next. Who knows? Your idea might just be our next story.